So dear friends, to add auto caption on your video, follow the step-by-step process that I'm showing here in this video, okay? So first thing first, you'll see a small round circle in pink color, so click here. Now at the left side, you'll see an auto caption, so click on it, and then you will see this interface. So first, you gotta download and install this plugin. So click on the get plugin option at the bottom, and now you get some language option. Which language you wanna have your auto caption in. First, select your language. As I want my auto caption in English, so first I gotta find out the English language. So click on English or any language that you wanna have your auto caption in, okay? So I'm selecting English. Now see, this one may be a little bit large file depending on your language. So it is 426 MB, okay? So to download this plugin, just click on this download button at the right side, okay? Now at the right side, you can see a tick mark here. The auto caption plugin is installed on my Kinemaster. Now go back. Now to generate auto caption on your video, just click on this AI. Now click on auto caption. Now at the bottom of the page, just click on generate. Now it's generating my auto caption, okay? Now see, these are the auto captions that have been generated automatically, okay? And if you find any mistake, you can correct them too. For example, in this auto caption, if you find a mistake, and if you want to correct that mistake, first you gotta select this auto caption, like this. And now look at the right side, just click on the keyboard icon. And now you can correct your auto caption from here, okay? After correcting your auto caption, just click on OK at the top right corner. So that's the simple process to add auto caption on your video. And if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your query, then hit a like. And if you want more of those kind of helpful and informative tutorial videos, then subscribe right now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.